My father was a musician in Stalingrad. During the German occupation, the sound of his violin filled the air with magnificent music. Korsakov, Stasov, many of the great nationalist composers. To my countrymen, it was a symbol of hope. To the Germans, it was a symbol of defiance. Even now, his music still haunts me. The Nazis slit his throat while he slept. Collaborating with any Nazi is a betrayal against all of Mother Russia. Dragovich, Krashenko were not troubled by such matters. They look only to advance their own interests and agendas.
Everything is loaded. They are waiting.
Victor, it is time.
Yes, Dmitri. Time to hunt down the last remnants of the fascist Reich.
Nevsky, grab the gear. We are moving out.
The men and I have fought through the most bitter of winters on the Eastern Front. We were no strangers to cold, but even now, the blood in my veins chills when I think back to the events of that day, far, far from home.
Ah! The hero of Berlin graces us with his presence. Have you not tired of battle, Reznov?
As long as Mother Russia has enemies, I will answer her call.
Put aside your petty rivalry, Kravchenko. Captain Reznov will do as he is told. We are here for one German, and one German only, Dr. Friedrich Steiner. This man has offered his cooperation to our cause. He is not to be harmed. Disobey this order, and you will be shot.
What happened in Stalingrad between you and Dragovich?
When the German occupation began, he and his lapdog, Krachenko, left my men and I hopelessly outnumbered. Promises of reinforcements were made, but not kept. Dragovich and Krachenko are opportunists, manipulators. They are not to be trusted, Dmitri.
Dmitri Petrenko was one of the bravest men I had ever known. He fought by my side from the siege of Stalingrad to the fall of Berlin. The wounds he sustained, ensuring our victory, should have earned him a hero's welcome to Russia. But Stalin had little need for heroes.
The German must not be harmed. We need Steiner alive. Now move, both of you.
Let's go! It is good to fight by your side once more.
Yes, my friend. One final victory. Search every corner of this camp. Only Steiner to be spared. Hoorah! Throwing grenade! Over there! Bestätigt! Hab ihn! Er hat exposed! Feuer auf ihn! Da sind sie! Hab ihn! Sanitäter! Hab ihn im Visier! Hab ihn im Visier! Eine Verwunde! Reloading! Zielverstand! Door! Enemy! Bestätigt! Feindliche Infanterie! Grenade! Weiter vorwärts!
Sanitäter! Gut, Jette! Einer verwundet! Ziel zerstört!
You got him!
Ja! Er hat recht! More Germans!
They are trying to surrender!
They have tried before! Do not let them! Ah!
Gute Abwehr! Scheiße! Einer verwundet hier! Sehen! Gute Abend! Sanitäter! Er bleibt! Feuer auf die! Kapieren! Einer verwundet! Feuer auf die! Hab ihn! Kapiere! Hab ihn im Visier! Meiner Morde! Ich seh ihn! Ich seh ihn! Gut auf! Sitze! Ich sehe ihn! Bestätigter Einschuss!
Finish them!
Ja, verstanden! Schicken Sanitäter hier hoch!
You got him!
Weiter, vorwärts! Hab ihn!
Watch this crush their
Hab ihn
wheels!
im Visier! Feuer auf die! Hab ihn im Visier! Er hat recht! Gute Augen! Gut, Joe! Ziel getroffen! Guter Abschuss! Da sind sie!
Push them back!
Bestätigt! Hab ihn im Visier!
In the generator!
Reloading!
Verstanden! Hab ihn! Feuer auf die! Er hat recht!
Eat grenade!
Verstanden!
Fritz!
Verstanden! Check the launch control building!
Push on, my friend! Clear the next area! Crush all who stand in our way! Watch out!
Angriff! Feuer auf die! Hat ihn erwischt! Nach vorn! Los geht's!
Be careful! There may be more of them!
Sanitäter! Sanitäter! He is down! Scheiße! Einer verwundet hier! He is not here!
They must be closer to the ship!
Er hat recht!
Spread out! Search every building!
Don't let them
Hier
return!
ist down! Run!
Enemy machine gun!
Gelege Masssage Feuermortar! Feuer auf die!
More
Feuer
German!
auf die!
Get rid of it!
Use them now!
Enemy MG!
Stay back! Grenade!
Hab ihn im Visier! Verstanden! Bestätigt! Hab ihn im Visier!
Throw grenade! No!
Feuer auf die! Verstanden! Kapiere! Er hat recht! Ziel getroffen!
Left side! Quickly!
More enemy movement! Er hat recht!
Fight Steiner!
There's still more of them!
Schicken Sanitäter hier! Hab ihn im Visier!
Stop them! Stand back! Grenade!
Bestätigt! Kapiere! Hab ihn! Verstanden! Gute Augen! Feuer auf die!
Generator!
Feuer auf die! Ich gleich!
Grenadier!
Lade nach!
Grenade!
Weiter Generator!
Aufstellen! Da! Kapiere!
Da sind die Kinder!
Hab ihn! Weiter bleiben! Down! Gute Augen!
Los, Grenadier! Animals!
Feuer auf die! Ich sehe ihn! Sanitäter! Gute Augen! Hab ihn im Visier! Hab ihn! Feuer auf die! Da sind sie!
Haben Sie die hier? Da sind sie! Schickt die Sanitäter hier hoch! Hab ihn!
This way, Dmitri!
Grenade going in!
We must be getting close to Steiner.
He will be where all cowards reside. As far away from the battlefield as possible.
After this mission, do you think we will go home?
I hope so, Dmitri. I hope so. Now is your chance!
Feuer auf die! Sehen!
Grenade going in!
Bestätigt! Haben wir im Visier! Verstanden! Nice job! Gute Augen! Grenade! Hab ich kaum gemacht! Guter Treffer! Hab ihn im Visier! Kapiere! Gute Augen! Ziel getroffen! Bestätigt! Schaste! Einer verwundet hier! Bestätigter Abschuss! Hab ihn in Visier! Ich seh ihn!
Watch this
Hab
crush
ihn!
them!
Verstanden! Da sind sie! Da sind sie! Hat ihn erwischt! Feuer auf sie! Befriedigen an! Da! Hat ihn erwischt!
You fascist rats!
They have no weapons! Die Kommunisten!
Throwing grenade!
Getroffen! Wo steht? Hab ihn im Visier! Hab ihn! Ich seh ihn! Sanitäter! Down! Wir sind sie! Ich habe! Papiere! Hab ihn! Feuer auf die! Schicken Sanitäter hier hoch!
Here they come!
Einer verwundet! Verstanden! Hab ihn im Visier! Er hat recht! Feindliche Infanterie! Ich seh ihn! Gute Augen! Enemy! Gute Augen!
The spotters cannot see the smoke! Throw it outside!
We don't have a clear shot! Eine Sekunde!
Grenade!
He's dead! Feuer auf die! Da sind sie! Schicken Sanitäter hier hoch! Hab ihn im Visier!
Die in agony!
Bestätigt! By the fuel tank! Verstanden! More German! Sag ihn erwischt! Krieg! Enemy! Sowjetische Truppen! Hab ihn im Visier! Papiere! Got one by that bridge!
Watch out!
Standen! Bridge! Hab ihn! Feuer auf die! Ja, eine verwundet!
Ready?
This way!
Braucht Hilfe!
Up the stairs!
Getroffen!
Grenade thrown! Grenade thrown!
Sie! Feuer auf die!
Make them pay!
Bestätigt! Schickt die
Ready?
Sanitäter hier hoch!
This way! Up the stairs!
Die ist scharf! Hab ihn! Ziel getroffen! Good job! Hab ihn! Hab ihn im Visier!
Show no fear, comrades!
Sanitäter! Kapiere! Sanitäter!
Watch this crush their wheel!
Er hat recht! Hab ihn im Visier! Ich sehe ihn!
Frederick Stein.
Do not point that weapon at me, Russian dog! You will take me to Dragovich.
As I looked into the German's eyes, I saw only the evil of the fascist Reich still burning strong. At that moment, every fiber of my being yearned to put an end to his wretched life. But I was a soldier then. I still believed in orders.
Reznov, bring your men!
What is here that is so important?
General Dragovich wishes to make a name for himself. He believes this outpost houses something of great value to the motherland.
Dragovich and Steiner are talking like old friends. I do not like this, Reznov.
No, I didn't.
Must hurry! There are
Give me
Germans
a
who would sooner see it destroyed than captured.
You assured me there would be no problems.
I cannot control the actions of the SS, General Dragovich. They are sworn to defend the Reich till their last breath.
Noble, but futile. Kravchenko, finish up here. Reznov, you and your men will lead the way.
Yes, sir! Petrenko! Vikarev! Nevsky! Bolov! We are moving out!
Steiner, tell me more about your association with the Giftiger Stern project.
In 43, the Fuhrer realized the Allies could not be held back for much longer. We began to look for more unconventional solutions. Throughout the war, my own research was focused on chemical weapons. It was meticulous and frustrating work. However, what we finally developed was a weapon more effective than we had ever dared to imagine. The weapon now housed within this vessel.
Nova 6. However effective your Nova 6 chemical may be, you still had to find a way to unleash it.
Long-range V-2 rockets to be launched from this outpost. The targets were command and control centers. Washington, D.C. was our first target. Then Moscow.
Ambitious and commendable, Herr Steiner.
But we were too late. The British were upon us and their bombers crippled the ship. Locked in the ice, we tried to salvage what we could, but it was too late. Germany had surrendered, and a Russian flag flew over Berlin. The SS had orders to destroy the ship if we were attacked.
Clearly, they failed. The explosives were never activated.
This is it.
Reznov, open the door.
We had found what we were looking for. Nova 6. The German weapon of mass destruction now belonged to Mother Russia. Or so it seemed. Our victory was to be short-lived. Dragovich wanted to see the effects of the poison firsthand. It was also an opportunity to remove a thorn in his side. I had long known of their distrust. What kind of men they were. It was a betrayal I should have foreseen. Dmitri Petrenko was a hero. He deserved a hero's death. Instead of giving his life for the glory of the motherland, he died for nothing. Like an animal. He should have died in Berlin. As I watched my closest friend die, it became clear we were not the only ones seeking the German weapons. The Western allies circled like vultures. Of course, Dragovich, Kravchenko, and Steiner scattered like rats, leaving me to contend with the British.
British commandos assaulting our positions!
Fight our way out!
Man down! There he is! Look! On the right! John! There they are! Stay back! Grenade! Got it! Copy! Get a minute up here!
I will have the explosives! We will plunge this vessel into the depths of hell. We cannot let either side possess this terrible weapon.
Medic!
Get down!
No mercy! What, Bridget? Start moving! Get a medic up here! Cover me while I reload!
Shoot! Grenade!
He's right!
Throwing grenade! No!
There he is! Don't see him!
We can't hold forever! Armed explosives to rest of!
Another one now! He's got it, Coffee! There it is!
Move! We have to get off the ship! Now!
The door's sealed! Shoot the support beams! We can bring down the gantries!
Yes! Go, my friends, go! Keep moving! This is not our war!
Then who do we fight?
Everyone! We stand alone!
Copy! Got him!
Shoot!
I can see them! There they are! Cover me while I reload!
Throwing
Good
grenade!
Shit! Man down!
Hurry! We have only 2 minutes left!
Over there! He's down! Reloading!
До свидания, animals!
He's down! Got him!
Another
Copy!
crumble
He's right!
before
There they
me.
are! Confirmed!
Grenade!
Good! There they are! I see him! There he is!
Down the road! Hurry! Go, Reznov! Go!
I had destroyed the Nova 6 ship and prevented it from falling into the hands of the British. But I was a fool to think that the threat was over. It was only after I was captured and sent to Vorkuta that I learned of Dragovich's true intentions. He will die before he gives up on Nova 6. Mason, listen to me. We are running out of time, my friend. Can you trust your leaders to destroy? Or do you think they will use it? The flag may be different, but the methods are the same. They will use you as they used me. You must decide. Decide what you think is worth fighting for. Dragovich, Kravchenko, Stein. These men must die.